Right, we're about to have a dozen passengers coming over here in a minute, so if you want to go over, you go over now.
Okay, thank you. Should we go to the other side, boys? Well done. Is that good?
This gingerbread house is riddled with alcohol, which makes it perfect for this gingerbread to join up with the about 2,000 gingerbread keep getting their gingerbread stolen.
Oh.
Ben.
Oh, that diesel's got the Grinch on it. Oh my god.
What is a pilot? A plane crashes in this video.
No, pilot. I don't know. It's
Please stand
Oh,
back.
that's
The
the
train
funniest
will put the
video.
stop on wax.
Yeah, train's coming, Jaden.
Please stand by the yellow light.
Why you don't jaywalk?
Please stand by the yellow light. The approaching train is not the second
That's run by
stop at the
diesel.
station.
You know that.
Fast train
Why you
approaching.
don't jaywalk?
The approaching train is not scheduled to stop at the station. Fast train approaching. Fastest train approaching. It's not scheduled to stop at the station. It's scheduled to stop at the station.
Ladies and gentlemen, those of you who are currently standing on the platform, this notice is for you. Please make sure you stand clear of the platform edge. You all may hold the bell which signifies the train is approaching. It will be approaching in the other platform, but the platforms are quite high, so please do make sure you stand well clear of the platform edge.
Oh God.
Please do
This is what happens when you jaywalk.
the train journey is 50 minutes, 50 minutes. There is a short break on the station, just in case you urgently need to use the loo. You understand the train. The journey time is a total of 1 hour 25, so if you need to use the key, please do so before you board the train. In about 10 or 15 minutes, or 15 or 20 minutes even, you'll be asking us to board the train. This is to allow the train to arrive and passengers who are earlier service to get off the train.
100 stand back. 101 Dalmatians is not stopping at first. Please stand by the yellow light.
Your journey. So we need to give them ample time
A
to
fourth
clear the train
101
before
Dalmatians
your
unhinged
journey.
version.
When you're ready and the door is through the gate, and you stand in the forecourt or musical and ready, and take the through the gate by the train, and you can see up to the victory here. Please note that the through to the victory is a bit slow, and the roads on the hand and left hand of you, the following the direction to the level of traffic platform.
Can we sit on one of those plant carriages?
We have to go where we're told, which is the beginning of the sandwich.
Oh, Dick.
The blue and grey carriage, which is just passing through the platform at the moment, is Dickens' carriage. The rest of the carriages in order are holly, ivy, mistletoe, and finally spruce and reindeer. I'll repeat that when the train is back on the platform. We're just moving locomotives at the moment. The train will be back. We are just exchanging locomotives on one end of the train. If you haven't scanned your tickets, please make your way to the ticket office and have your ticket scanned with my colleague there now. The ticket office is the large brick building on the platform. You can gain access either through the green door on the platform or through the footbridge. If the queue to the footbridge is a bit too slow, so I'm just located here near the exit. I will raise my hand and guide some of you over to the level crossing, which generally comes a little quicker. We need to get you on board as speedily as possible. Passengers have already left that train, hopefully our team on board the past through. It's just a question of changing your purchase, doing your phone on the platform. We'll give you the go ahead and it's safely there for the train. Please take this opportunity to check your tickets. Have a look at your tickets, read the QR code or read your name and see which carriage you're in. You've all got seats. Doesn't matter if you're ahead of the queue or the rear of the queue.
Henry, Jimmy, me and Dylan are going to platform 1.
Oh!
Position yourself for your carriage. There are 6 carriages starting from the footbridge end. Dickens carriage, which is blue and grey. Then there's 3 maroon carriages in order from Dickens. They are Holly, Ivy and Mistletoe. Mistletoe is the compartment carriage. Those of you booked a compartment for a complete large group of family or friends. And finally, at the end of the platform, we have 2 more blue and grey coaches. Spruce and Reindeer. They are closest to where you can see the locomotive's headlamp at the moment. So that end of the platform is Spruce and Reindeer, the footbridge end is Dickens, and in between you've got Holly, Ivy and Mistletoe. Once on board, look out for the notices above the windows for the name of your seating area. The compartments have the names on the compartment doors. Check your tickets near the QR code or your name. It will tell you which is your carriage, and in capital letters it will tell you which is your seating area. Drinks on board the train, you all have tables. We wish you a wonderful magical time meeting Santa, Mr. Scrooge, our magician, elves and helpers. Very Merry Christmas to you all.
Oh yeah, like that watch. Yeah, but I'm filming the train from.
Oh god, if I don't manage to film the whole journey, that's because I've got low battery, but I'm filming it from Ongar to North Weald. Although I got it from North Weald today. In a minute, Scrooge will go to our carriage and Scrooge will start thinking. If Scrooge takes Emmy's presents, I'll hide it. I'll have to hide it quick if he gets ready to take the present. You better not do, because I'm gonna panic. I know he's.
Yeah, let's hope Scrooge doesn't steal our presents.
Yeah, and I'll stop being a bit aggy if my iPad dies. I don't want to if I'm filming my iPad dies, I'll be a bit aggy.
Wait. I'd stand next to Henry.
You don't have to.
He wants to. But the Scrooge is coming.
Yeah, but she's not going to scare Henry. Henry's not scared of Scrooge.
Yeah. I have to stand next to you.
No, you don't have to protect him. He's not scared of Scrooge.
No, I think Dylan wants to stand next to Henry.
So Dylan and Henry are standing up, and me and Jaden are sitting down. Oh God! Scrooge is coming. This carriage. Scrooge is here. Oh. I think Dylan's scared. He's just.
Dylan's scared of Scrooge.
I think it's because he's hiding away. Because he wanted to stand up and he's hiding away. Look, he's hiding away. He's right there, but he's hiding away. There's Scrooge! Oh God, I'm gonna kill. I think Scrooge is taking presents. Oh God, hi Dylan, Scrooge is here. Oh no, Scrooge is there. Scrooge is a man who's gonna take your presents. Hide! Quick, Dylan! Hide! I think Dylan is really scared of him. Because he's hiding when I say hide. Oh God. Oh God, Jaden, I think Scrooge will take your present if he sees it. Oh God, what if he takes your bag and says, "Fuck the drills." Dylan, hide! Scrooge is there!
Don't say anything about it if we have presents, otherwise he might actually take
Scrooge, we have presents. Okay, I'm just being silly. Luckily that wasn't loud enough for him to hear. I'm filming.
Good afternoon. Working hard, I hope.
Oh God, Scrooge is giving money to people. Oh God, Dylan, Scrooge is close.
Now, good afternoon.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hello there. What on earth are you doing around there?
He's hiding.
Why are you hiding? Yes? Do you owe me money?
No,
Here's the money.
Where?
he's hiding. Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Scrooge is gonna beat Dylan up. I'm sorry. Oh God! Scrooge might beat Dylan up. Scrooge might beat Dylan up. Oh no! Oh God! I'm worried Scrooge might beat Dylan up.
Now then.
I'm scared of Scrooge. I'm just scared that the fact that Dylan might get beaten up for telling Scrooge he had money.
A Brussels sprout for you.
A Brussels sprout?
A Brussels sprout for
Oh
you.
God, I got a Brussels sprout. At least it's a chocolate one.
You owe me money, you said.
Dylan, you shouldn't have said that.
Thank you very much. You want to get a picture? Come on, get in here.
I got Dylan and scared of Scrooge.
Take it out. Take it out. I'm rubbish. Finish me. Ready? Oh, yeah.
I think Dylan was scared of Scrooge.
Thank you very much. You must unwrap it, yes? Hurry up when I'm doing it. No? No, you must unwrap it.
Oh
No,
God!
no, no.
He's saying Dylan to must unwrap it.
He's put it in his mouth without unwrapping it.
Oh God! Dylan, you're supposed to unwrap it.
It's pretty silly.
It's not a real Brussels sprout, Dylan. It's a chocolate Brussels sprout you're supposed to unwrap.
Okay.
I don't think Dylan should have told it. I don't think Dylan should have talked about his money, Mr. Scrooge. Jaden, I don't think Dylan should have talked about his money to Scrooge. And now, he owes money to Scrooge.
Oh, I love this song.
What's that?
The song called Stop the Cavalry.
I hope Dylan didn't swallow the wrapper when he ate it. Oh God, I've now got 5% of my iPad. In a minute I'll start being fed up. I think Scrooge is gone, Dylan.
Wow, it looks tasty.
I think Scrooge is gone. Are you scared of Scrooge?
Oh, yeah.
Oh God,
Yeah.
yeah. Do you want to sit down? Because Scrooge is literally gone.
Yeah, Scrooge is gone, thank God.
I don't think Dylan could watch the Christmas Carol then if he's scared of Scrooge.
Yeah.
At least he's not as scary as that man that looked like a young yobber with a ski mask and a knife. That was the first time you swore in public in a while.
Yeah.
The last time you swore in public. The last time you saw in public was in 2019, but the last time you saw in public since 2019 was on Halloween. But don't worry, Santa and Mrs. Claus and Cinderella are not scary. Only Scrooge was. I bet the Grinch will be on here. If the Grinch is on here, I think Dylan will be scared. Oh God, please! Oh God! Oh no, Scrooge isn't coming back, is he?
He isn't coming back!
Is he coming back?
Oh dear!
Is Scrooge coming back?
I think he might be.
I think he's going that way. Cause he's not coming back.
His name is Claus. His birthday is on October 27th. His name's Claus, baby. He's been around in Halloween. Oh, is that why? Do you think she's scared?
Oh God! At least the lights didn't go off when he appeared. Cause that would have been.
He's a hit!
At least the lights didn't turn off when he appeared. No, he's not. He's going all the way that way. If he faces us that way, then oh God, oh God. Well, that's not Scrooge, I don't think. That's just a male and cat. Scrooge is all the way that way.
Thank God.
Oh, Scrooge isn't coming back.
Let's hope.
Once you see his face when he walks this way, that means he's coming back, but he's not. I had for 1 second when Dylan was scared. I thought he was literally getting a fire extinguisher and gonna hit Scrooge on the head with a fire extinguisher. Whack him on the head with a fire extinguisher and knock him out. I think there might be either that's Mrs. Claus or that's a staff member of the train. Oh, that's the magician.
Wait, he's got a taser!
He's not got a taser.
Is that the Grinch?
That's not the Grinch. That's the magician.
What is it got tissue?
She's not scary, Dylan. That's the magician. Why are you scared of the magician?
No, he looks like a Mr. Grinch.
He's not the Grinch.
He's fake. I think he's not properly scared. I think he's.
Dylan, you know the Grinch is not green. The Grinch is green, but that's not Grinch. He's a man. He's a funny man. That's the magician. Oh God! Over there is the magician.
I gotta hide before it's too late.
Dylan, he's not scary.
No, he thinks it's the Grinch.
It's not the Grinch, Dylan. You can think it's the Grinch, but it's not the Grinch. I'm telling you now, he's not scary. He's not going to steal your presents or do anything bad. He just wants to do magic. Dylan, I'm sorry to be rude, but you're a wuss because you think that is the Grinch, and it's not.
He's just a magician. He's not the Grinch. He's not the Grinch. He is not Scrooge. He is not Cruella de Vil.
No, he's not scary, Dylan.
Is Dylan scared of the magician?
Yeah, I told you he's not scary.
If it's the magician, it's the Grinch, Henry.
Zombie apocalypse.
He thinks it's the magician of the Grinch, but it's not.
Are those the zombies civilized?
It's not a zombie.
The zombie apocalypse.
No, it's not going to have zombies on it. No, they're not zombies on this train. It's only on the Halloween one, and this is the Christmas one. Oh, for goodness sake. What would Dylan be like a Lapland? If he attended Lapland, he'll be probably scared of everything. You know some toddlers that sit on Santa's lap cry when they sit on Santa's lap.
Yeah.
I probably was one of the few toddlers that never cried when I sat on Santa's lap when I was little. Oh, there's the magician. He's close now. Right.
I think we've probably passed North Weald,
I've had
haven't
to
we?
stop screen recording. I thought we have, or haven't we? We keep stopping, but I'm actually... That man in a woolly hat that's pulling tricks and has a woolly hand and the waistcoat that's red, that's the magician. But I'm not scared of him because he's funny. Like the time when he pulled a joke on his put a joke on his wife's fridge. Pardon.
Show me yours then. I'm in a huge Krabby Patty monster that's going.
I've got this picture here.
Yeah.
Hold that there for a minute. Now, can you see this is Santa's grotto? Can you all see that?
Yeah.
Now, if I open up the picture, can you all see Santa in his sleigh?
Yeah.
Now, who can tell me on the count of three what's missing down here? 1, 2, 3.
Reindeers.
The reindeer. Now, it just so happens
Reindeer.
that in here, you all know him, you all love him. Here he is.
Santa.
It's Rudolph, the yellow-nosed reindeer.
No.
Is that right?
No.
Hold on, sorry, my mistake. Rudolph the purple-nosed reindeer.
No.
No. What about Rudolph the blue-nosed reindeer?
No.
No. What about Rudolph
He pulled
the
district
green-nosed
last year,
reindeer?
Jaden.
No.
No.
I've only got one left.
He pulled
What about
district last
Rudolph
year.
the red-nosed reindeer?
Yeah.
He
pulled district last year, Jaden.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn him round, okay? Now, we don't need the others. I'll put those away in my little bag. Because I'm going to cover him up like this, you see. Now, on the count of 3, I want everyone to wiggle their fingers, say abracadabra.
Abracadabra.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Abracadabra.
Look, gone. Thank you. Disappeared. Thank you very much. We laugh.
Oh God.
Laughing, madam. He's gone. You don't believe me, do you? Who thinks he's in the bag? Hands up. Right, I'm going to have a look. No, he's not.
Oh my God. Oh God, he's right there. I can see him.
Oh,
Oh,
You see that then?
yes, I did.
Okay, oh dear, look.
Oh dear.
He's really gone.
Oh God, he's really, really gone.
He's gone. Now, if he
Oh!
disappears, any ideas where he might be?
He might be behind there.
No red-nosed reindeer.
No.
Right, he's hiding again. He's always doing this because he hides, you see. If you see a reindeer hiding, do tell me. If they hide, you see.
He's there. He's there.
Give him a round of applause. Rudolph, the cheeky red-nosed reindeer. Thank you.
Is that the magician done?
So, happy Christmas, everybody.
Happy Christmas.
Enjoy tomorrow.
Yeah.
What time are you all going to get up? About 2 a.m., 3?
I'll probably get up about 6.
What time are you going to get up?
I'll probably get about 7 or 6.
I might get up at 4. I might be giddy.
I might get up before. I might be so excited for Christmas.
Anyways, I'm gonna sign off now since we're pulling into Northfield.
I might sign off now because I'm pulling into Northfield.